Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Amore Antasia, and today's video is going to be a luxury haul. I got some stuff for my birthday, so basically this is a birthday haul too, but my birthday was actually like 3 to 4 weeks ago, but I decided to go ahead and just show you guys what I got as a collective haul. So some items are luxury, some aren't, but I just figured, hey, since I was in Nashville and Chicago, I might as well show you guys what I got while I was there. First and foremost, I got some little jewelry. No, not these little cheap Target rings. No. I got some earrings from Louis Vuitton. I was so thirsty because I actually put them on before I actually showed them to you guys. But they're really pretty. Really pretty. They're gold earrings. Just a typical LV. These were actually kind of popular, but at the time I was just looking for some regular gold hoop earrings. So I was like, well, why not get these? They're kind of luxe. I didn't expect for them to be heavy. They're kind of heavy. And I've snagged one of my holes before, so I got another one. So I probably won't be wearing these too much, but I just got them because I was like, okay, it's my birthday and they're cute, you know. So next I got from Chanel. This is, I can't remember, what Chanel? Chicago? So I actually got two things since I've been to Chanel, but this is the Chanel fragrance that I got. It's probably too light. Can you guys see that? The sunlight is right there. This is the Chanel Chance. So it's the Eau Tendre. I think that's how you say it, or Eau de Parfum. It's the Parfum, but it's, I don't know what the Tendre is. I don't know. So if you guys watched my perfume collection, the huge collection, I hated Chanel. Like I did. I definitely hate number 5, and I hate the Mademoiselle. But this one is fruity. It's a bit sweet. It's not childish, but I smelled it. It smells really good. Cute little bottle. But it's lightweight. And I was like, okay, Chanel, you did this for the girls, for the girly girls, not the old ladies. I'm just kidding. But my mom is 60 something. She likes that type. So yes. Ooh, I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so sophisticated. Like it smells like a little money here. But no, seriously though, it smells lightweight, a little floral, a little oriental. It gives like flower bomb. If you like the Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb, you'll definitely like this. So next I got some earrings. The earrings that, it just comes in like this little velour, velvet type of material in here. But the earrings that I got, so you had to make a purchase in the store in order to order these on the over the counter. And so these, the ones that I wanted are so popular. So these were the ones that I got. They're kind of big. And the lady, I'm not going to trash her, but she didn't even know what size, and I didn't know what size circumference either, so I just said the small CCs. And to me, I mean, I guess you could say these are small, but is this really small? I mean, it's like, look at the size of it. I assumed that it was going to be the small CCs, like the ones that are like a dime size. These are more so like not necessarily quarter size, but like nickel size, and I didn't expect that. But they are elegant, they are nice, especially for special occasions, so I decided to keep them. So for the next order I got the small CCs. So these are the small ones. These are like the studs. They're not as small as an actual stud, but they're like studded, and then they're like stud size, so they fit exactly on your earlobe. So these were super cute. These are the ones that I wanted. Actually, the ones I wanted were like a little bit bigger, like in between. If you guys know what I'm saying, I think you do. Like you've seen everybody have them, like especially back in the 2000s. So speaking of real jewelry, this necklace is, I believe it's 14 karat gold. It's at least 10. So 10 or either 14 karat gold. So this was a gift, a nice birthday gift from Untitled Jewelry. This is actually real gold. This is 14 karat gold. Either 14 or 10 karat gold, but it was a cute little customized nameplate, so it took them about 2 weeks to send it, but they sent me the gold one, and I think they do have it in silver. But what else they sent me, honey? They sent me a wonderful tennis bracelet. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. Because I've never had a tennis bracelet, and their materials are like real metal and precious jewels, but it's a really pretty tennis bracelet, like really pretty. Get into it, like it's pretty. Now my arm is kind of skinny, it's real skinny, but we're gonna figure it out. They also sent me a matching tennis necklace. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Like, it glistens. Like, it's pretty icy. And this is the packaging that they sent all of the items in. I actually travel with one of them. I have 3 of these now. So I actually just put all of like my Chanel and everything like that. I just take this out and put all of my jewelry in here. So that when people see this name, they don't know too much that it's luxury. So they're like, okay, well, we're going to steal that. But if they see like Louis Vuitton, Chanel earrings, all that kind of stuff, they'll probably steal it. So I just take this with me to travel. It makes a really nice jewelry box just to have in your house because the decor is just really cute. So shout outs to Untitled Jewelry. So next I got some shoes from Schutz. These are beautiful, honey. These are just like the dupes for the, I think it's Gianni Bini, or I don't know all these luxury brands, but because they're not like top tier to me, but yeah. And definitely like the dupes for the Louis Vuittons, but the cap toe ones, they kind of stopped those. I don't know what happened to those. They just kind of stopped with the ones with the strap. I wanted to have those, but they just don't have them anymore. And somebody else makes these. I think Steve Madden, but I like the symmetrical piece there with the cap. It just gives it a little edge there instead of just a whole, you know, cap toe thing. So yeah, they have these in pink as well, but they're kind of hard to come across. You'll definitely have to probably order them because I don't think they sell them in Nordstrom, the store. You have to order them. So, well, it depends on what Nordstrom. The one in Chicago obviously had a surplus of inventory, but in other cities, nah. Probably in Nashville, I doubt it. Now, these are the dupes. These are some cute Valentino dupes. I got these from Etsy. I actually saw these in Chicago at Rue 21. So if you're at Rue 21, you can get these for less than $900 because that's how much they cost at Nordstrom. Or are they even at Nordstrom? They're at Neiman Marcus, I think. So I got them in both pairs. I think they were like $14 or $20. It just says Anna at the bottom. I got these in a size 9. I always get flip-flops in a size 9, even my Louis Vuitton sandals, because I just didn't want them to be too small. These are the Adidas Yeezys and with the reflectors. Now, I was disappointed that they had the reflectors because I thought they were the ones with the red a little bit on it, but it's cool. I like these because they're just jet black. I do. And then there's a piece of red on the bottom. So if I do want to wear red, that's cool. I do want to change out these reflector shoestrings because if I'm wearing all black, I'm trying to be, you know, on a mission, you know. All right, and my third pair that I'm showing you guys, the red kind of throws me off, but red is my favorite color, so I was kind of disappointed because the outfit that I want to wear it with is not this gray. It's like lighter gray. So I don't know. It is what it is. I still like the fact that they're gray and they have a little darker gray in them, it looks like, or black or whatever. But I really like these. But I don't know what to say other than they're really comfortable and they're stylish. So I just got all 3 pair. My lighting is going out, like the sun is going down, so it might be a little too bright. So I apologize for the lighting changes. So I purchased the Vince Camuto boots. Oh, there's a lot going on here. This is what the packaging looks like. Packaging right here. And it's the same for both, so I'm not going to show you both. I got the boots in these are riding boots. They were on sale for $88. So I got both pair. They typically are $220 a piece, honey. So I saved a coin. And I love this detail right here. Now, where is it at? Yeah, it's right here and over here. Now, what happened was, years ago, they had another design. And I feel like it was just, like, gold. It was gold. And so, they discontinued them. I can't find them anywhere. I couldn't find them in Chicago. And I got tired of traveling. So, I just got these because I think that they're cute. I mean, comment below what you guys think. They do give, like, a true brown, but they're kind of, like, reddish, like a reddish brown tone, which I'm not that much of a fan of because I wanted like a true brown, but in person it looks really brown, so I just had to get these. But when you see classic pieces, that's the word, when you see the classic pieces, just grab them. It doesn't matter if it's summertime, I don't care about that. Oh, okay, so these are gold. I thought that they were silver. I don't wear I wear gold, but I don't, it is what it is. But they're cute. I think they're cute. So Yeah, and they have a little gold tag on the side, a little zipper. Feel a little bougie in these. Look like I got a little coin. So that's it for today's video. That's it for the haul. I'm going to show you guys the other items that I did haul from Sephora, like in the next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Comment below what you guys are planning on getting for your birthday, and check the descriptions box for any links that I have for you to shop from. And I'll try to link some discount codes if I can. And also check out my previous style hauls and things like that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next vlog or video. Bye!